Clip Studio Paint video tutorials by Andrew Buckle. In this tutorial I'm just going to show you how you can quickly add a ruler and also how to delete a symmetrical ruler. Now first thing to do, I'm just going to obviously just go one of these tools. I'm just going to apply, see there, no symmetrical design at all. But you can add the symmetrical, just go down here, just go there and symmetrical ruler. Just go to the sub tool and then you can modify the number of lines. I'm just going to set it at say 12, step of angle, and then just go over there and just drag that around and release, and then you've got the there. Now then you just go and quickly paint with it. I'm just going to quickly go and just use that tool and just paint. You can just see that now I'm using the mouse, so it's not particularly sophisticated symmetrical design. But how to remove it? If you don't want that ruler anymore, you can remove it. Just go over here and there's a little option there in the layer. So you go to the layer and you can see it, and you can right click and then there's delete ruler. You can also do show ruler. So you can obviously make it, just go there, you see it goes. Right click again, show ruler so you can see it, and you can go delete ruler. There's also another option over here, layer, ruler frame and delete ruler. And there it is, it's gone. No more. Of course you can bring it back and just add it as before. Hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.